everyone, we are Marie and Johannes from the ISC organizing team, and today we would like to show you our favorite spots of Hamburg, which is not just our hometown, but also the place where ISC 2023 is held.
We thought we'd share with you how we locals like to spend our time here. So whether you're planning to extend your trip, to get the most out of this beautiful destination, or just want to make use of your time during the conference days, this could be a great help for you.
When you're doing a trip through Hamburg, you can easily reach everything with the public transport. The HVV ticket also includes the harbor ferry boats, from which you can already see the cruise center and container terminals. Here is one for those of you who will be really short of time. Want to get some fresh air during the coffee or lunch break? Then just walk outside the conference building, take a ride, and you're already in the middle of a wonderful park called Planten und Blumen, the best and most efficient conference detox. By the way, we will also be offering guided walks through the park during the conference, but we'll touch on that in another video. Got a couple of hours to fill, maybe during an extended lunch break or before you leave?
It's always worth a walk around the Speicherstadt or the Deichstraße for a great mix of modern and old architectural styles.
Or head north from the conference center, a 30 minutes walk or a short taxi ride, and enjoy culinary treats at the Isemarkt. You're arriving early in Hamburg or plan to extend your stay? If you have a day or two to spare, you should definitely get to or even onto the water. And why not try some paddleboarding or canoeing on the Außenalster?
And if you need a break, head to the River Elbe for a break at Strampauli or get a Fischbrötchen and watch the ships go by.
After an intensive day on the water or at the conference, you are looking forward to enjoying Hamburg's nightlife? No problem. Head for Portugiesenviertel or Schanzenviertel to get some nice food and drinks. That's it from us. We hope you enjoyed our tips.
And we hope to see you at ISC in Hamburg.